Ah, it's up here. So let me put some sanitizer. I think I also have a bite, no? Oh. He doesn't want to leave? So that's how you remove it. Let me check if I have any on me. Yeah, I also have one here. There it is. Hello guys, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. This is Tom here and I am at the Zostel Vagaman. That's the beautiful view behind me. So now we are walking through the Amazon forest. Just kidding, not the Amazon forest. Me and Irshad, we are going to trek on a mountain here. After we reach there, it's going to be a beautiful view. That's what everyone told. There are a lot of leeches here. Come. So, okay. So another guy also, he also wants to join us. So, we are going on a trek. I have an umbrella. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It was raining from morning till afternoon. From the time I woke up like 5 o'clock till 1 o'clock, it was raining. And these are the beautiful scenes here. Behind me, we have tea estates. There is Irshad. And there's also a lake there, you can see. It's a beautiful lake. We went there and we sat in the morning. It's a beautiful vibe here. It's amazing, really amazing. So this is the lake that I was talking about. It's very beautiful. And up there we have tea plantation. And this is the Zostel Vagaman building. So we are going into the Amazon forest. You can see the fog coming down. It was covered up with fog whole day. But just now it went down. So we thought we will go up the trek. All these are lemongrass that you are seeing. All these are lemongrass. And there are a lot of leeches. Hopefully I don't get a bite. I have a sanitizer with me. It should be enough to keep them at bay. Even if they bite, you don't need to panic. It's not going to hurt or anything. But you should not pull them out. That is what. You should never pull them out. Because if their fangs stay in the body, then you get infection and all that. But you put a sanitizer or something, it should go away. He's looking for if there are any leeches. Even let me look around. I don't have any on my leg. Okay. It's amazing. The walk is amazing. Beautiful. The views. Now the fog has just slightly moved away. Trek is amazing. It gives you some kind of happiness. You are into nature. An amazing feeling. You get nowhere else. I believe this kind of rain you cannot see anywhere else but in Vagaman. There's a lot of breeze and the views are stunning, man. Views are great. The only issue is leeches, but don't be scared of them. You can just take them away with the sanitizers. So here we are going on the trek up the mountain up there. If there is no fog coming down, the view will be really amazing. So it's drizzling slightly. But still we cannot give up. We need to go up. Hopefully it doesn't rain heavily. It was raining. As I told, it was raining all day. From the 3 days I am here, it's raining every time. And the rain is getting heavier. Woo! Which way? This way? Ah, yeah. So he's been there 2-3 times. So he joined us. So it is a blessing in disguise for us because he knows the way and where we are going. Look at the views, man. It's stunning, stunning views. And the feel of being here, you don't get it in the videos, but it's amazing.
Yeah, that wall is see. Oh, this wall. Yeah. Oh, bro, how do I go into this?
Po.
How do go? Huh? There, up till this point you can go. Then it's ready.
So there's a kind of a wall here. He said that they'd come till here, and below that is the valley. Now there's fog everywhere, fog coming in. At least there's visibility of at least 50 or 60 meters. Later on it will go down even more. So we'll walk along this pathway here. There is a kind of wall. Maybe this is a forest side or something, or it's a private property. So there is walls here just to know the limits. So walking through these lemongrass is really amazing. This is lemongrass. From this grass is what they make the lemongrass oil. They use this, they process this, and they make lemongrass oil. Oh shit, it's slippery. I'm wearing slippers also because I didn't want to wear my shoes because leeches get into the socks and shoes and you don't get to see them. At least on the slippers you will be able to see. Let me check if there are any. As of now, nothing. Beautiful, beautiful. There you can see the Zostel. It's covered in fog. That's the Zostel there. Irshad, he just got a bite, so he asked me for the sanitizer. I have it here. Up slowly. He says it's biting him. Where is it? Ah, it's up here. So let me put some sanitizer. I think I also have a bite. No? Oh. He doesn't want to leave? So that's how you remove it. Let me check if I have any on me. Yeah, I also have one here. There it is. So that's it, cleared. Legs cleared. So let's continue further. That's the view here that we have. I believe if we are standing in a place, we get more of bites easily. They attack us easily. Woo! There you can see a waterfall there. That's a small waterfall. We had walked all the way from the hostel through that place and through this stream, and then we went to this infinity pool. You would have seen the video last week. This is where we went in. This is the infinity pool. Beautiful, beautiful. This is how it looks, and we are blessed that there is not much of a fog that is covering this place, so that we are able to see the infinity pool and all that, and the water flowing. It's amazing, stunning views. So me and Hardik sitting here, Irshad behind me. He's in his, what do you call, the rain covers. He's looking like a penguin actually. It started to rain. It started, sorry, what is it?
Poncho.
Poncho, it's called a poncho. So it started to rain now. It was slight drizzle, but it's getting heavier as time passes, and there is a lot of fog coming in. You can see there, it's covered with fog, and you cannot see the property down there, the hostel also. And we are under the umbrella. It's a beautiful place to be, man. It's crazy. You can see 3 or 4 waterfalls. You can see there the fog moving in. That's how it moves. It's moving slowly and slowly, coming down and moving away from here. Sometimes it gets foggy, it's completely invisible, and after 5 minutes it becomes clear and you can see everywhere. That's how the climate here is, and really amazing. Now there's a bit of breeze and all that. Amazing. We're having a great time sitting here. So we have started to walk back from here. That's the kind of fog and dense fog that you have behind. So we'll try to go to the waterfall if possible. Yesterday we just saw it when we went to the infinity pool. So we'll try to go to the waterfall and have a bath in case it's very cold. The waters would be very chill. And yesterday when I was in the infinity pool, I did get cramps and I was not able to move. One of my legs had got cramps and I was not able to move because it's so cold out here. You can see the amount of fog that's behind me. So hopefully I'll be able to go to the waterfall. If I go to the waterfall, I'll continue the video from there. Else, thanks for watching, and it's a beautiful place here. If you're coming to Wagaman, come to Hostel Wagaman, stay here and you can enjoy all this. It's going to be a beautiful stay here. So that's it from Wagaman's Hostel.